Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with my Artymaze design team project, which I used the kit A Touch of Autumn for. So let's just get started looking at the journal. This one has the cover that is this beautiful crazy quilt with stitching, all sorts of different embroidery. So a very vintage piece for the cover, and then I of course have lined it, so it's tied with some rust colored sari silk, and then on the inside I have some coffee dyed paper. Let's get this into camera here. Cloth pocket on the front with collaged journaling card just right there in the front. And then we start with Artymaze's kit. So beautiful. And this is a piece that we made inspired by Jessica Rapp, with a big tag pocket with a little tag in there, and then another big journaling card that is stuck in the back here. Little owl stamp. This is some beautiful eco dyed paper that I was gifted in Happy Mail that I thought went with the autumn theme. It's beautiful. It could have been framed, really. It's so pretty. And then Artymaze's designs again. Little coffee dyed paper with lace on the edge. Lots of room for journaling in here, as well as, well, I've just flipped those right out, as well as lots of fun things to play with too. So in this tuck, I have a collage card again, and then this is a piece that my friend Angelika gave to me. I've been told I say her name wrong, but I don't know how to say it right. So there you go. And then on this side, I've used the pockets that come with the kit with tags from the kit, and just distress them up a bit and pop them in there. There is a doily from a Tattered Dream, coffee dyed, some avocado dyed paper. And then there's this piece that we made in our ephemera making too. This is, all the parts and pieces are from A Tattered Dream. So on the front here, we have a library card and library pocket. And then this is an envelope. So you can put something in there, journal here, time card where you can journal as well. Let me unclip it so I can show you the back. And then the back can be journaled on also. And then on the other side of the page, this little piece that flips out, that is also, it's a small window envelope is what it is. And so you could slip something in there as well. So there's that. That was fun to make. Artymaze again, little Edith Holden fall colors. And then the tucks, these tucks also were inspired by Angelika. So collage tag and one of the envelopes from the kit, and a little journaling card inside here. And then I did some stenciling on some of the pages, and I wanted to show you the stencil because it has really become one of my favorites. So here is the stencil, and I suppose if you go ahead and Google that, you can find one of those. So there is that. I will look, if I find it on Amazon, I will I'll pop it onto my shop, or have my son do that. And anyway, it's a fun stencil, as you can see. Glassine bag from A Tattered Dream, and I've just put decoupaged a napkin and done a little stamping on that. And in there we have this piece. This is from the kit. Pocket from the kit, tag from the kit. I had to cut it down a little bit to go in there, but that's where that goes. A couple of the pieces that we've made in the ephemera making series. In that pocket, this comes from the kit. This does too. And then here is a coin envelope with journaling card from the kit. And a little Jessica Rapp inspired tag that fits in there. And then this whole little flippy thing was I saw on G. Kerr's YouTube. So this flips out, and I've just embellished it with some lace. Some pretty patterned coffee dyed paper. I think that's from Emily at Vintage Polka Dot Shop on Etsy. The middle of the signature, the beautiful Artymaze design, and then I put a couple leaf charms at the bottom. This is the background paper. I don't know how well it shows on camera, but it's really beautiful. This is some vintage sweater that I got in my recent haul, estate sale haul, and it's all beaded, and I love the sort of the warmth that gave on that little flip. This is the other side of the glassine bag. I put one of the journaling cards on the bag and made a pocket for one of the cards from the kit. So that goes in there. Then inside there, we have this little piece that, again, we made in the ephemera series, and it flips out for more journaling space. That goes in the bag. The other side of the Edith Holden has mushrooms. This is my favorite page. This is my just very favorite of the whole kit. I just love those leaves. I think it's so pretty with the berries. We've got a big journaling card in the back. This was fussy cut out of one of the journaling cards. And then I made a stamp out of one of the stamps you get in the kit. And so that's popped behind this coffee filter pocket that has an altered playing card and a little altered ring tag. And those go right in there with some little Timmy Holtz people. Here is another stenciling. We made the belly band out of leftover from the cover and put some lace on it. This is a journaling card that I made a while ago, inspired by the Tim Holtz, a Tim Holtz card that he had done. I just used pieces I had in my stash to make one similar to what he had done. And then there's the doily again, a little more stenciling. Another lacy piece, and then a journaling card from the kit just tucked into this tuck spot. The eco-dyed paper again. And then this is a recent make that we made this bag. These are glued in, and this is a pocket up here. And then I put it on so that I could put a journaling card in the side here. So that sticks out there. And then the back pocket, the back fabric pocket, and a tag. So I am going to, this is going to be listed in my shop, and I am going to list it on Sunday. I don't know the date. I forgot to look before I did the video, but I will. It's Sunday, October, like maybe 26th, 7th, something like that. Anyway, I'll put it in the title, and I'll also put it in the description box. I'm going to list it at 11:30 a.m. Mountain Time on Sunday, and my shop is Cinnamon Tea, and I'll put that link below. And I hope you enjoyed this. I had so much fun. Andrea, if you have not checked out Artymaze, you are missing something. So, so go on over. Of course, her link will be down below as well. She also has Artymaze and Friends on Facebook, and it's a great Facebook group if you're interested in that too. I'll try and remember to put the link to that too. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and we will just see you in the next video. Bye-bye.